Hey everyone, Mike here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. If you're looking for the best mileage calculator for taxes, you're in the right place. For over 16 years, we've been focused on one thing: creating powerful, easy-to-use Excel tools that make mileage tracking simple and stress-free. We've helped more than 7,500 customers, from small family businesses to major corporations, and the feedback's been incredible. Just check out our Google reviews. You'll see over 140 five-star ratings from drivers and fleet managers who tell us our tools saved them hours of work and made their operations way more efficient. The IFTA mileage calculator makes tax reporting simpler than ever. After downloading it, just follow the link in the description. You'll enter your trip details. You can input zip codes, city names, or full addresses if you want the most accurate results. Once your trips are entered, just click the Calculate button. The tool will connect with the Google Maps API to calculate the total miles for each trip, show you how many miles you drove in each state for every trip, and most importantly, create a summary that totals up all your miles by state across all trips. If you're covering long distances across several states, the calculation might take a little extra time, but it's still much faster and far easier than digging through piles of trip logs manually. Getting started is quick and easy. If you don't already have a Google Maps API key, don't worry. We've created a short video that walks you through the setup in just a couple minutes. And if you ever have any questions or need help, just call or email us. Yes, we personally answer every call and email. Most of the time, you'll be speaking directly with Vinny, the mastermind behind many of our tools, who's always ready to assist you and make sure you're up and running smoothly. So go ahead and download the tool today by clicking the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more time-saving Excel tips. Until next time, this is Mike reminding you, drive safe and spreadsheet smarter.